Have you ever wondered which cake is the most loved in every country? From soft creamy classes to desserts you have never even heard of. Every nation has one cake that people simply cannot resist. But trust me, when you reach number 7 you will be shocked because no one expects that cake to be this famous. So get ready for a sweet global journey where we travel from country to country and explore the most iconic, most delicious and most surprising cake in the world. Let's dive into the list and see if your country favorite made it to the top.